Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to trim and cut parts of a video added on Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just open up your video project that you want to trim or cut. So after you open up your video project, in order to trim or cut your video, like for trimming your video, the process is pretty easy. Just move your cursor over here and you will see the option for trimming your video here. So if you want to cut out your video, like cut parts of it, just drag this key here to the point where you want to cut and just go here and click here on split page and your video has been cut out. So let's cut out here again. So as you can see, your video has already been cut in two parts. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.